Welcome back everyone. You may be having some fan issues on your Xbox One where for some reason your console is just overheating and the fans are just extremely loud. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing in this specific situation is to actually make sure your Xbox is in a well ventilated area. If your Xbox is, right next to your TVs and is right behind a wall and there's very little gap, well, you're going to need to make sure there's enough adequate air intake coming into your console in order for it to cool down. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to actually go ahead and, make some room around your Xbox, maybe even put it on its own stand. That way it has enough airflow coming into it. That way it can adequately cool itself. You can also, see if the room temperature is extremely hot and you can maybe even cool your room down a little bit. I've heard that, can decrease the fan noise as well, but that's the main thing you can do pretty much time and time again. Now another thing that I've seen a lot of people do is to actually clean out their air vents of their Xbox. So what they will do is they will get a can of compressed air and they will go ahead and find the, air vents on your Xbox, and they will go ahead and blow the can of compressed air in those air vents to kind of clean out a bunch of that dust and debris and stuff that's stuck within those vents. In my experience, that's the number one thing I would recommend doing, and that's something I've done time and time again, for a multitude of different devices, and this can actually go ahead and lower the fan noise of your console as well. Now, if that does it for you and your fan noise is pretty much what it used to be, then you're fine, you're set. Another thing I'd recommend doing is to understand when your console is, putting the fans on. If you're playing super intensive games all the time, the fans are going to kick on no matter what you do, so it's pretty normal. If it's extremely loud, then obviously that's a problem, but if it's loud every once in a while, then that's totally understandable and that's expected. Finally, you can always take apart your Xbox, which I probably wouldn't recommend, but you can take apart your Xbox and you can go ahead and clean out the vents that way. And you can also update your Xbox console to the latest software. And that's another thing you can do to pretty much quiet down those noise of those fans as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.